Old Woods Ghost here, and it's just another day at the range. Well, I recently got a new cell phone holder from Temu. This is my old one. And well, it's worked out pretty well. Problem is that the slots on these guys not big enough to properly accommodate the new three camera phones. These are 3 video camera ones. I thought about taking a coping saw to it and doing some widening, but then I saw this one pop up on Temu. And it's a little fancier, so to speak. These arms adjust out and lock in place with the Allen screws. You can see them there. This piece pulls up, spring-loaded. But the nice thing is that we get it. Oh, I can do this one-handed. All right, I'm back. See, the cameras are all exposed except for that one lower one, but these are the video ones up top there. So we shall see how this one works out. The only real problem with it is that it is a little bit thicker. All said and done. Put them side by side. You can see the difference. But I'm going to be taking it out for a test ride tomorrow, and we'll see how it does. Hopefully it works out because I ordered another one for my other plate carrier as well. But, hey, always something new, better, and different, right? Well, not too bad. Not too bad at all. See, it's a gorgeous day out here. Oh, blue target's 50 yards offhand with the snake. Not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. 12 shots taken and 12 shots hit. So, hey, so far so good. Now let's see if we get the shark running. Well, the red dot for the shark did not charge up. Thought it was charging, but it didn't. Or maybe it died. I don't know. I'm going to have to nuts with it when I get back to the shop. And of course, I've been dragging around one of my older cheapy red dots just for backup. And decided last night, I'm not going to need it. So, took it out of the range bag. I also have one of those battery backup, solar powered battery pack jubbies. I should probably have that. But, you can only carry so much stuff. I mean, I'm only out here for like an hour and a half, maybe an hour 45 at most. And I know some guys that carry freaking range bags the size of a bale of hay that weigh 85 pounds, but not me. Anyway, so still playing with the snake here. 100 yards from the bench. Hey, not too bad of a day of shooting if you ask me. Well, done with the shooting portion of the program here. Gonna check and gather up the targets. Unlike some people that leave all their paper plastered all over the place. You know, some of the crap that goes on down here is unbelievable. Second round, 50 yards from the bench. Again, not too bad a day. And then more offhand. I was getting a little sloppy there, getting a little tired. So, but hey, I'll take it, right? Sure beats working or doing anything else. Well, almost anything else. Of course, this is a nice little out-of-the-way range. But unfortunately, it tends to attract a bunch of idiots. That backer board wasn't shot up like that or broken like that 2 weeks ago when I was here. And you notice somebody's either doing shotgunning or they got a full auto 22. Even the lower board's shot up. So, brr. Well, that's a wrap for this one, folks. The new cell phone holder worked out pretty well. I didn't have any problems with it. It's been holding tight. We'll see how the videos came out. You'll be watching them on here if they did. So, anyways, hope you had some fun, and we will catch you the next time.